Okay, so what did we do in the last class,
Good
children?
morning, ma'am.
Good morning
Ma'am,
to
in
all of
last
you.
class we have done lesson the.
Lesson
Ma'am, you have
this.
the pronunciation of the sentences.
Very nice, very good. And 7C also? Are we on the same
No,
pace?
ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, we have to start chapter 10 lesson.
We have to start chapter 10.
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
that's good. So it will be a revision for you, 7th A. I'm going to start chapter
Yes, ma'am.
10 with 7C. Fine? All of you, please open your cameras. Hurry up and open your camera so that we can begin the class. Till now, only Daksh Bhardwaj has been marked present and Aditya Kumar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Who will start reading?
May I? No, ma'am, not may I.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning. I want someone from 7th A to read it. Since
Ma'am,
they...
may I?
Yes, please. Now, children, each one of
Lesson
you
the.
has to read this chapter. Please write down the pronunciation of all the words also. Fine?
Ma'am, chapter 10. And
Yes,
the
chapter 10.
pronunciation you tell or the pronunciation which a person speaks, that one. Child speaks that pronunciation.
Have I told you? Have I already read this chapter with you?
No, ma'am.
Then what
No,
are you
ma'am.
saying, Utkarsh?
Ma'am, I am asking you said, ma'am, we have to write pronunciation.
Yes, you have to write down the pronunciation because there are words that you will come across which you have not done before. And even the ones you have done before, you people make mistake while reading. So I want you to write the pronunciation in Hindi or English so that when you read out absolutely correct. Yes, Daksh, start.
Lesson the. La drapo. De mope. Manual. Salut Anish. Anish. Salut Sava. Manual. O très bien. Tu au. Anish. Java à la fête. Manuel. À la fête avait un drapeau de trois couleurs. Orange, blanc and vert. Anish. Parce que nous sommes le 26 janvier. Aujourd'hui.
Okay, Daksh, stop, beta, stop. All right. So children, start writing from the beginning. Le drapeau de mon pays. Le drapeau de mon pays. Country is called what? Country is called pays. Fine? Pays. Like that. Then, Manuel says, Salut, Anish. Anish replies, Salut, ça va? Oui, très bien. Tu vas où? Oui, très bien. Tu vas où? Je vais à la fête. Je vais à la fête.
Please repeat the J, ma'am, Jeva.
Je vais à la fête. What does that mean? Je vais à la fête?
Are you going to a
Ma'am.
festival?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
am
Are you
going to
going
party.
to?
Je vais. What is je vais?
Ma'am,
I
I
go.
am.
I have.
Ma'am,
Yes.
going to a festival.
I go or I'm going. Je vais à la fête. Now, what is fête here? Fête has been used for festival. Which festival are they talking
I am
about? They are
going to the
talking about the
festival.
national festival of their country. Okay? Je vais à la fête. Then Manuel asks, à la fête, avec un drapeau de 3 couleurs. À la fête, avec un drapeau. Avec un drapeau de 3 couleurs. To the festival, to the fete, with a flag of 3 colors: orange, blanc, vert. Orange, blanc, vert. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Please repeat the colors again.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what?
Please repeat the colors again.
Orange. What is color orange called? It's called orange. Orange. Vert.
Ma'am,
What is
Ma'am,
color
it's
green?
written here.
Wait, better wait. Vert. And what is color white? Blanc. Yes, now say Fizzy.
Ma'am, we are doing the chapter exercises.
We are reading out chapter 10.
Okay, ma'am.
Your mic is muted.
Dhruv, Uzair, Navya, all of you, please open your cameras.
Ma'am, can I open my camera in 2 minutes?
Yes, better, yes. All right, then the next line that we come to is, now, Anish says, when Manuel asks, you're going to the festival with a flag of 3 colors, then Anish replies, because today is 26th January. Parce que nous sommes le 26 janvier. Parce que. What is parce que? Parce que means because. Parce que nous sommes le. Parce que nous sommes le 26 janvier. C'est la fête nationale. C'est.
Please wait.
Okay.
Ma'am, the parts one sentence. Park one sentence. Please repeat.
Parce que nous sommes le 26 janvier. Which means because today is 26th of January. Parce que nous sommes le 26 janvier. C'est la fête nationale. C'est la fête nationale de mon pays. De mon pays. C'est la fête nationale de mon pays. Alors. Now what is alors? Alors means so. Alors, je vais à la fête. So, I'm going to the festival. Alors, je vais à la fête avec le drapeau de mon pays.
Ma'am, I can close my camera, ma'am, because there is a network problem.
Okay.
After all of
Je vais à la fête avec le drapeau de mon pays. Because today is 26 January, it is the national festival of my country. So I am going to the festival with the flag of my country. Fine?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, then next. What does Manuel say now? Manuel says, ah, d'accord. Oh, okay. D'accord means okay. So it comes like, oh, okay. La fête nationale de France. La fête
Please repeat.
nationale de
No, ma'am. D'accord.
d'accord. D'accord means okay. La fête nationale de France, c'est le 14 juillet. The National Festival of France is on 14th July. C'est le 14 juillet.
Ma'am, the National Festival of France is on
14 juillet, 14th July. What is 14th July in French? 14 juillet. Double L is silent in July. Okay, juillet. Notre drapeau aussi. Notre drapeau aussi.
Ma'am, when we write this pronunciation in French, ma'am, after that, ma'am, we can write these pronunciation in English also.
Yes, you can write the translation. You want to write the translation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can write it later, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
After OC.
Okay.
Drapeau
Notre
aussi.
drapeau aussi a trois couleurs. Notre drapeau aussi a trois couleurs. Our flag also has 3 colors. Notre drapeau aussi a 3 couleurs. Mais, bien sûr, les couleurs sont différentes. Mais bien sûr, les couleurs sont différentes.
Ma'am, please repeat this one. May
Mais,
bien sûr.
bien sûr, mais bien sûr, les couleurs sont différentes. Les couleurs sont différentes. But for sure, the colors are different. Mais bien sûr, les couleurs sont différentes. Ah, bien, quelles sont les couleurs? Oh, well, what are the colors? Ah, bien, quelles sont les couleurs? Ah, bien, quelles sont les couleurs? Elles sont. Now the next line, Manuel replies, elles sont bleu, blanc et rouge. Bleu, blanc et rouge. What are the colors of French flag, children?
ma'am, blue, white, red.
Blue, white,
And
and
blue,
red.
white, rose.
Ma'am, blue, wrong.
Yes. Bleu, blanc et rouge. It's et rouge. Bleu, blanc et rouge. Written till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next line. Comment est le drapeau pakistanais, Samira? Comment est le drapeau pakistanais, Samira? How is the Pakistani flag, Samira? How do you ask how? What is how in French? Like we have been asking, how
Comment.
do you call yourself?
Comment.
Or how
Comment.
are you? Yes,
Comment.
we use the word comment. So how is the flag? Comment est le drapeau? Samira replies, le drapeau pakistanais est vert, Children, very important line and very difficult line. Please write it down very nicely. Le drapeau pakistanais est vert avec un croissant. Avec un croissant.
Ma'am, please repeat the slide.
Le drapeau pakistanais est vert avec un croissant de lune blanc. Croissant de lune blanc. What does this mean? Underline this thing or put it in a bracket. Un croissant de lune means a crescent moon. How do we say a crescent moon? Un croissant de lune. A croissant de lune blanc, a white crescent moon. Now, if I put blanc in the end, that means I mean to say white crescent moon. And if I remove blanc, what is it? It's just a crescent moon. Fine.
It is after A. I'm blanc 8.
Wait, I'm coming to that. Avec un croissant de lune blanc et une étoile blanche. Et une
With a white star.
étoile blanche. Now, what is étoile? Étoile is star.
White star. Star.
Yes.
Star.
And blanche is white.
White star.
White.
And a white star.
White star.
So if I translate the whole line, the translation is, the Pakistani flag is green with a white crescent moon and a white star. Fine?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, see children, oh God. Just a second.
Ma'am, I'm also writing the translations.
Wait, ma'am, writing translations.
Everyone has written the pronunciation till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
see,
ma'am.
in the last two lines, children, there is a lot to be learned. There are a lot many rules applied in the last two sentences. Now start writing those rules. See, when Anish asks in the last third dialogue, he asks, oh well, what are the colors? He has asked this thing, bien, quelles sont les couleurs? Now, what does Manuel reply? Manuel says, elles sont. Now, what is elles sont? Just a second, children, I'm getting a call from Smriti, ma'am. Yes, children. Again, next class you'll have with me. All right. So now, what we were doing? Yes,
Ma'am, A section or C section or both?
both the sections along with section B. So we'll have all the three sections in next period together.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, that period is arrangement period.
Ma'am,
Yes,
it was
that
a
is your
slip.
maths period today.
Ma'am, it is our maths period.
Yes, ma'am, this is our math.
Yes, because sir is on leave. Sir is on leave, so I'll be taking your class.
And ma'am,
now.
fifth is also
Actually, ma'am,
my
Rasil sir
period.
always takes most of the arrangement. But he is on leave today.
Yes, yes, yes. Now he's on leave. Okay. So children, what I was saying was, we were talking about the rules. Now see, what does Manuel reply? When Anish asks, which are the colors? Quelles sont les couleurs? So Manuel says, elles sont. Else. Else is always used for what? Feminine they.
Ma'am, they.
Feminine they,
Ma'am,
right?
female.
Yes. Now, here else has been used for what? What it has been used for?
A flag.
Yes?
Ma'am,
No, not
feminine
flag.
day.
Not
Feminine
flag.
day.
फेमिनिन डे बेटा फेमिनिन डे तो है पर किस चीज को वो किया जा रहा है मतलब व्हाट
Ma'am,
इट इज
colors. Ma'am, for
very
colors.
nice
Ma'am,
it is
colours.
referring to colors so when we are talking about colors we have used L for that why because colors are what feminine gender uh, is it okay till here L song
Yes.
L song the colors are now see now second thing to pay attention to is all the colors have been used in their masculine form कलर्स के लिए हमने एल्स लगाया बट कलर को क्या किया हमने कलर को मैस्कुलिन फॉर्म में दे दिया क्यों दिया कैन यू टेल मी व्हाई
Please repeat the question you asked.
सी एल सॉन्ग उन्होंने बोला व्हेन अनीश आस्क्ड व्हाट आर द कलर्स सो मैनुअल रिप्लाइज एल सॉन्ग ठीक है एल सॉन्ग किसके लिए यूज हुआ एल्स किसके लिए यूज हुआ यहाँ फॉर कलर्स कलर्स के लिए ELLES क्यों यूज हुआ बिकॉज कलर्स आर फेमिनिन जेंडर फाइन उत्कर्ष
Yes, ma'am.
yes but now when he is telling about the three colors he is using all the three colors in their masculine form why so it is
And because
because
in French, colors are always in feminine form.
बट बेटा यहाँ तो कलर्स मैस्कुलिन फॉर्म में यूज किए हैं दैट इज व्हाट आई एम आस्किंग जब कलर्स को उन्होंने
ma'am, it's
एल
used
से डिनोट
feminine.
किया तो हर कलर अपनी मैस्कुलिन फॉर्म में क्यों दिया
Ma'am, it is in feminine form only.
नो
Ma'am,
बेटा
because you
ब्लर
said colors are
ब्लॉन्ग
feminine.
blur देखो ना just turn around the page and go to page number 94 now we have colors over here what is the masculine form
Yes, ma'am.
BLEU and what is the feminine form BLEUE what is the masculine form of white color blanc BLANC what is the feminine form
Because
blanche
colors are feminine and colors
BLANCHE.
are masculine.
अब बताओ now you
Ma'am,
agree
when
that
we
colors have
call
been
a
used in
group
their
of
masculine
colors
form
like
Yes, ma'am,
there are
it's used
colors,
in
Ma'am,
then
colors.
we call them
Ma'am, the
feminine.
colors in the French are used as the adjective form.
बेटा adjective तो use होते हैं that is true but when we okay now I'll tell you why see a simple thing color in itself is what feminine gender so he has used else before color else for colors right but which colors we are talking about these colors are on what these colors are on a flag which flag French flag and flag is what flag is masculine gender getting it
Okay, ma'am.
this is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
thing yes because these colors have been used for flag for a
Ma'am, I
flag
understood one thing that which are
Yes.
feminine. Ma'am, I understood one thing with the most of the things which are feminine
Ma'am,
have
please
E
say
in the
again.
last.
Yes,
Most.
yes. We generally, in 95% of the cases, to make a thing or to change a gender into feminine, we add E in the end. Fine. So, elles
Yes, ma'am.
sont bleu, blanc et rouge. One rule is
Ma'am,
this.
please tell again
Written all of
else.
you. Now, if we would have used colors for any feminine thing, suppose the feminine thing is chair. So, we would have what we would have done for color blue. We would have put
E.
what would the spellings be?
E.
BLEU.
BLEUE.
Now, look at the last word of this chapter. Une étoile blanche. What is star? Star is feminine gender. Right? Star is what? Feminine gender. That is why they have used the feminine form of white color.
And ma'am, moon
Have-
is ma'am a masculine, so ma'am blanc at moon for moon.
Yes, yes, yes. Now you got the difference? How
What
we
is the
use
meaning of
colors?
croissant?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This was one rule about colors. Now coming
What
back
is
to
the
the
meaning
same
of
sentence
croissant?
spoken by Manuel. He says, "Comment est le drapeau pakistanais, Samira?" Now, if I ask you in English, how is the Pakistani flag? Or how is the Indian flag? What I'm doing, I'm putting nationality. I'm talking about, or I'm putting the nationality before the noun, right? In English language. But in French, whenever we use colors, one thing, whenever we use colors, second, whenever we use nationalities, we place them after the noun. Got it? That is why
Okay,
he
ma'am.
says, "Comment est le drapeau pakistanais?" Now, if we literally translate it in English, what will we say? Flag Pakistani. Right? But
Yes, ma'am.
in French, this is how they use it, and we translate it by saying Pakistani flag. We will also not change our language. Got it? Now, if I tell you to say Indian flag, tell me what will the translation be?
Ma'am, drape Indian.
Drapu in the end.
Le
Indian.
drapeau
Drapeau.
Indian.
La
Indian.
Drapo Indian.
La
And
Drope
which nationality we are going to use? Masculine nationality, because flag is masculine gender. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good. Now, if I want
Okay,
to say a
ma'am.
Japanese flag, how will you say that?
Ma'am, drapeau Japanese.
Ma'am, Japan. Ma'am,
The
Japanese.
Japanese.
Ma'am, drapu Japanese.
Huh? Write it in the
Ma'am,
chat box,
le
everybody.
drapu Japan.
La Drapu
Everybody write it
Japan.
in the chat box. Japanese flag. Very nice, Utkarsh. Very nice, Navya. Le drapeau japonais. Very good. So this no beta, Dhruv.
Is my correct?
Dhruv, yours is not correct. Utkarsh, yes, yours is
I am
correct, Utkarsh.
marking.
Perfect. Aditya Mishra, Aditya Kumar, Pranjal, Fazil, Alind, everybody's is correct. Beta, we are not,
I
do we
put
say
it,
India flag or we say Indian flag?
instead.
No, ma'am, I was
Ma'am,
writing
Indian.
Japanese, ma'am,
है
but
ना?
it was
Indian na,
sent by
what
mistake.
we use nationality. We don't use country name. So what you have done, you have written Japan in French, while you were supposed to write Japanese in French, a Japanese flag. So le
Ma'am,
drapeau.
ma'am, I was writing Japanese, but it by mistake it was sent at
Okay,
Japan.
all right. Then it's fine.
Ma'am, mine is correct.
Manhir, where's his? Yes, beta, it's correct. The correct, all of you have written correct. It would be le drapeau japonais. Now, for nationalities, we use this thing. Again, when we come to the last line, le drapeau pakistanais est vert. The French flag is green, avec un croissant de lune blanc. Now, colors are also placed after the noun. Second, the third rule that we see here is, where do we place? We don't say a white moon. In French, it is a moon white. Fine? We don't say a red
ma'am.
pen, a pen red. White car white. Now,
Car white.
how will you write a white car? Write it in the chat box and tell me. And send your messages directly to me, not to everyone.
And what is called car?
Car, you forgotten, Utkarsh? The word starts
Ma'am,
with
please
V. Can you recall? VOI. Wa.
Ma'am, watcher.
Yes. Voiture. A white car. Your messages directly to me, not to everyone. Very nice, Bhavya. Correct. No one knows it except for Bhavya.
Am I is correct or wrong?
आदित्य कुमार, what have you done, बेटा? वही गलती कर दी जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Colors are placed after the noun, like
Sorry, ma'am.
nationalities. And Ridhima and Alin, beta, voiture is what now when you give adjectives, when you assign any adjective to any noun, what you have to remember? You have to remember the gender of that noun.
Ma'am, is my
Ma'am,
correct?
my is correct or wrong?
What is voiture? First of all, you have to tell me voiture is masculine or feminine?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
feminine.
feminine.
Ma'am, feminine.
So
Ma'am,
you need to
feminine.
make this correction. Who all are going to correct it
Ma'am,
now?
I'm little blonde.
Ma'am, my
only.
is correct or not?
Ridhima,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
please.
my
Alin.
is correct.
Okay, Aditya Kumar, yes, but for what are you going to put for Aditya Kumar?
I'm love.
I'm not saying the, I'm saying के लिए हम क्या लगाते हैं?
Ma'am, you
Ma'am,
and
Yoon.
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 So
Ma'am,
you
you
were
and
supposed to write une voiture blanche. And all
Okay, ma'am.
those children,
Ma'am.
now Alin, see, you have only corrected the article that you placed before voiture. What about the color, beta? Color भी तो आप अपने
Ma'am,
feminine
ma'am.
form में लगाओगे?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, did
my
my
is
message
correct or
reached?
wrong?
Who is asking?
Ma'am, my
Ma'am, in the
Utkarsh.
chat box.
Navya, you're asking. Yes, Navya, yours was correct. You wrote la voiture blanche. Une voiture blanche.
yes,
What
I
did you
wrote-
write, Navya?
Ma'am, I didn't
Ma'am,
put
I wrote-
article. I just
Yes, you
wrote
wrote voiture blanche. That was correct.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please tell mine.
mine is correct.
Beta, I am typing now. See, there are so many messages there. They have all gone up. So I am now writing the correct one. And please, if it is wrong, you have made any mistake, rectify your mistake. A white car. Une voiture blanche. Can you see in the chat box?
Ma'am, my is correct.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is how we are going to write it. Now I'm giving all of you 2 minutes. Just do these this exercise that is given below. Dit, re, ou, faux.
Translate the third sentence
Which one? The third one.
of the exercise. Yes, ma'am.
Le drapeau français et le drapeau indien ont les mêmes couleurs. What is ONT?
Ma'am,
ONT means
ONT. One second.
कौन से verb से आया ONT?
I'm awake.
Awake कौन सा verb है बेटा?
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Awake तो conjunction हुआ. With. Awake means with. You are very close to the word. It's just that it is not coming into your mind.
Mummy.
What is that verb, Utkarsh?
Ma'am, have to family.
Yes, have to. It is the have to verb. So now, le drapeau français means the French flag, and le drapeau indien, the Indian flag, have les mêmes couleurs. Même is the opposite of différent. What does différent mean?
I'm
Ma'am,
different.
different.
Different. So what is même?
Same.
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 Yes. Now tell me, is it true or false?
Ma'am, false.
Who?
Ma'am,
Who?
False.
Ma'am. Ma'am, in second sentence, according to paragraph, today is 26th January.
Yes, today is 26 January. So is it the national festival of France?
Who?
Faux.
Ma'am, foo.
It's not fou, it's faux.
Ma'am, it is on 14 July.
Yes. C'est la fête nationale de France aujourd'hui. No. C'est la fête nationale.
Ma'am, second one is full or right?
You tell, beta, Navya. See, in dialogue, on page number 92, the last dialogue by Anish. What is the last dialogue? Parce que nous sommes le 26 janvier aujourd'hui. That means today is 26th January. C'est la fête nationale de mon pays. Which country? Which country are they talking about?
India.
India.
Ma'am, India.
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 And in true and
Ma'am,
false,
India.
what is it given? It is given, c'est la
Ma'am,
fête nationale de France aujourd'hui.
France.
Is it true?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, it's false because today is what? The National Festival of India.
Ma'am, in last sentence, what is the meaning of Moa Daoud? Ma'am, ma'am, month August.
Yes, month of August.
Okay, ma'am. I'm done.
Ma'am, I have done.
Done? Children, have you all done?
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
what
ma'am.
we are going to do, we are going to discuss it in the next period. Fine, because there is no time left. So
No,
I'm
ma'am.
ending the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
thank you,
And
ma'am.
all of
Thank
you
you,
have
ma'am.
to join the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.